Welcome to this comprehensive overview of SushiSwap, one of the most innovative decentralized exchange platforms in the world of DeFi. SushiSwap empowers users to trade cryptocurrencies, earn through liquidity provision, and stake tokens for additional rewards, all in a trustless and efficient manner. Starting from the home page, you can instantly see the various features SushiSwap offers, including the ability to connect your wallet. Wallet integration is seamless, supporting popular wallets such as MetaMask, Wallet Connect, and others. Once connected, you can explore the swap feature, which allows users to exchange tokens effortlessly with competitive rates, leveraging SushiSwap's automated market maker technology. The liquidity pool section is a cornerstone of SushiSwap. By adding your crypto assets to these pools, you enable smooth trading operations while earning fees and rewards. Navigate to the Pool tab to see existing pools or create your own liquidity pair. When you add funds, SushiSwap will reward you with LP tokens that represent your share of the pool. You can use these tokens to stake in the Sushi Bar to earn Sushi, the platform's native governance token. Another powerful feature is staking Sushi tokens in the Sushi Bar. This allows you to earn X Sushi, which accrues platform fees and provides governance rights. Simply click on the Stake tab, select your Sushi balance, and confirm the transaction. Your X Sushi tokens will grow over time, providing passive income while giving you voting power in governance proposals. SushiSwap also offers yield farming, where users can earn additional rewards by providing liquidity to specific token pairs. Visit the farm section to explore active farms, APY rates, and the steps needed to stake your LP tokens. For advanced users, SushiSwap features a lending and borrowing platform called Cashi. Here, you can create isolated lending markets with adjustable risk profiles. This tool is ideal for traders and investors seeking tailored financial solutions. AD integration. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. SushiSwap's interface is user-friendly, making it accessible even for newcomers to DeFi. The platform is constantly innovating with updates and integrations, ensuring its competitiveness in the decentralized finance space. Make sure to check out the link in the description to sign up and claim your bonus. Subscribe to the channel and hit the like button for more tutorials on mastering the crypto world.